How do I begin my Snowflake learning journey? And where do I sign for my Snowflake exams? Hi, I'm Alvin, the GIC Learning Consultant to Blockchain and Data Practices. I believe many of you will have the same questions as I just raised. Not to worry, I'm here to help. Let's talk about the Snowflake exams. Exams does not have a voucher or promo code. You have to pay by credit card. Some of you may have a company Amex card, but if you do not have one, please check your payment managers for approval to reimburse you if you are paying with your personal credit card. Next, go to the Learning Request tool or LRT. Raise the request, be patient for the line of approvers to approve. Assume you have gotten the LRT approval, then you sign for your Snowflake exams. To find out more about where to access the Snowflake learning and to sign up for the Snowflake exams, go to the rest of the video and you will find out very soon. Hi everyone, where to begin your Snowflake learning journey? Sign up with the Snowflake community. Go to community.snowflake.com and create your account. This is the Snowflake community homepage. Sign up with Snowflake community account over here. Fill up the form. Click submit. If you have the Snowflake community account, click login. So once you enter the Snowflake community portal, you can see the quick links from Forums, University, Documentation, and Announcements. Go to Forums. In Snowflake Forums, you can do a keyword search. So let's say I want to do a keyword search on SnowPro certification. You will see a list of results based on your keyword search. Filter the results. I can filter based on the answers, knowledge article, or videos. So let's say I want to filter to videos. I click the checkbox, videos, and you will see someone actually have a video on SnowPro Core certification. So I will click the link to see, explore if this is what I want.
Welcome to Snowflake's Data Superheroes Origins. I'm your host, Kent Graziano.
If this is not what you want, go to answers. So for answers, there are 75 results. You can choose to filter by the dates or by the relevance. So in this case, I will go for the first answer. Yeah, so the post was deleted, but never mind, I can go back to the last page, look for another result, say request guidance on SnowPro Core certification. A member have raised this question. Other members in the forum actually help to respond. You could also write an answer to help to respond. So as you can see, this is a very helpful community where all the Snowflake learners contribute and help one another. And on the right, you can also see other community forums based on the different categories from like Snowpark, Snowsite, Unistore. Scroll down, you can see related questions, and sometimes there could be an announcement for you to join Startups user group or even Snowflake Summit. Documentation will take you to a page for you to search your desired Snowflake documentation. And here you can see a list of categories of documentation from getting started with Snowflake, working with Snowflake, getting data, cost performance, managing security and reference. There's even a Python worksheets and also Snowflake Summits. Next we go to the announcements. This is where you can see all the announcements for all the regions from behavior change log, security announcements, product news, client release history, announcements by region. You can also find your release announcements based on the selected cloud platform and the region. Let's assume I want to do cloud platform, Azure, release announcements, select the region, let's say APAC Japan. So there's one announcement, so I click on this to find out. So this will give you the announcement based on my filter. You could customize your links. I can choose to uncheck my announcements and I choose ideas or developer portal and click save. Notice that my quick links has been updated based on my preferences. Here's my new quick link on my community page and explore University. So click University. Notice that some of the courses will have a paid label and some will have free. Clearly, not all the courses are free of charge. Please be careful when you choose the courses. Learning tracks being arranged in terms of data engineer, hands-on badges, SnowPro Core study, level up first concepts, Snowflake partner content. So I'll recommend new Snowflake practitioners to go to the level up first concepts, go to the view learning track. You could see a roadmap the key concepts, the performance. This roadmap helps to guide you what are the modules to take. So for example, it shows the first concept level up, key concepts, and followed by the container hierarchy all the way to Snowflake ecosystem until you go to the final exam. Certifications. The first exam, SnowPro Core certification, which is a prerequisite. This requires to create an account, and this will take you to the exam registration instructions. Click here to find out more. And this will take you to the instruction page. So if you're new to Snowflake certification portal, this page is very important for you to take your time to go through the instructions before you register for a Snowflake exam at PearsonVue. So on this page, scroll down and find SnowPro Core certification to learn more. And this is the page to show you where to register for the SnowPro Core certification. Take your time, go through the details on this page to find out about the certification overview, to make sure that you have a thorough knowledge of all these requirements. Go to the exam breakdown to understand the format, the number of questions, the question type, multiple select, multiple choice, the time limit, the language, the registration fee, and the passing score. Go to the domain breakdown, and this gives you the exam domain breakdown. So once you're comfortable with the certification, exam, and domain breakdowns, click Register Now to purchase an exam. Over here, you'll be required to create a new profile if you do not have a Snowflake PearsonVue account. So when you click Create New Profile, it will take you to this page for you to fill up your account information, your passwords, personal information, contact information, your address, and age verification before you click to prove that you have read and agreed to the above terms and conditions and create the account. Very importantly, you must enter the name as it appears on your government issue ID. Otherwise, you will not be able to take your Snowflake exams. So if you have created a Snow ID and password, log in. You will go to this page called SnowPro Certification Dashboard. You have the menu from Home, Credentials, Available Certifications, My Certifications, Results, Gradly, Messages, FAQs, and Contact Snowflake. So click Available Certifications. The system will recommend you to take the SnowPro Core certification if you have not taken any Snowflake exams before. Click SnowPro Core certification. So this page will give you the estimated eligibility to take the SnowPro Core certification. Check my course details for testing. Be very careful that the exam service provider requires this information for the assigned exam proctor to validate your identity. Your first and last name must match on the names on the identification you present at your proctor exam. These names will also appear on your certification record and certificate if you pass your exam. If for any reason your legal name is not correct, contact Snowflake for help before proceeding with your exam registration. How to contact? Here's the Contact Snowflake link for you to click. This is where you get your help from the Snowflake team. Fill in the details, choose the type of inquiry that you have, category, subcategory, and describe the issue before you submit the request. If after checking that your details are correct, you click the Finalize application. You will see this page that says that your application is complete for the SnowPro Core certification. The portal will transmit your application details to PearsonVue. When PearsonVue receives this information, you'll be able to schedule exam. Be patient and wait for PearsonVue to process and respond. If you have further questions on your Snowflake exams, you are strongly advised to go to the FAQs. Here is the PearsonVue resources, the links, and the FAQs for you to go through frequently asked questions. Can I reschedule my exam? Can I cancel my exam? And what happens if I do not show up for my exam? Now, if you have your SnowPro Core certification and you wish to take an advanced Snowflake certification, go to the list and find advanced certification. So let's say I want to do advanced data engineer. So this is the one. Click to learn more. I'll go through the certification overview, go through the exam breakdown. the domain breakdown. If I'm comfortable with the certification requirement and the breakdowns, I'll click Register Now. This will take you to the dashboard for you to schedule your exam with PearsonVue. Enjoy, have fun learning, all the best with your Snowflake exams and your learning journey.